How to start a chat in IMO. Want to send a message to a friend or a family member in IMO, but not sure where to begin? It's super simple. Let's walk through it together. First thing first, let's open the IMO app. You can see my IMO app right over here. Let's tap on it. Once you're inside, you'll be directly directed to the chat section, and this is how your chat section look like. Now, what you can do is you can see a chat I have right over here. This is the one that I got the message from. You can just reply them like this, or if you want to chat with your new friend, what you can do is simply tap on this icon at the last. You can see top right corner, tap on it, and here you will be finding the list of people who have IMO. Simply tap on it and message them like this. You can say hello, send them the emoji, and do what you want to do with this chat right over here. Once you're ready, hit that blue arrow icon, like I want to write hi right over here, and after you're done writing the message, simply tap on this arrow right over here and it will be sent. Then your conversation will get started. Wasn't that easy? Go give it a try. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.